Imagine standing amidst towering trees, breathing in the crisp mountain air and listening to the soothing sounds of nature. Welcome to the Great Smoky Mountains, a breathtaking paradise that promises adventure at every turn. From the majestic peaks of Klingman's Dome to the enchanting waterfalls of Laurel Falls, this stunning destination is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Picture yourself hiking along scenic trails, spotting diverse wildlife, and soaking in panoramic views that will leave you in awe. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities or peaceful moments in nature, the Great Smoky Mountains offer an unforgettable experience that invites you to explore, discover, and create lasting memories. Nestled in the heart of the Great Smoky Mountains, Cove is a stunning valley that showcases nature's beauty at its finest. With rolling hills, vibrant wildflowers, and panoramic views, this picturesque spot is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Keep your eyes peeled for deer, black bears, and a variety of bird species as you explore. The area boasts several hiking trails, including the popular Abrams Falls Trail, which leads to a breathtaking waterfall. Don't miss the chance to visit historical sites like the old homesteads and churches that tell the story of the Cove's rich heritage. Capture your own epic moments in this enchanting landscape, where every corner offers a new adventure. At 6,643 feet, Klingman's Dome is the highest point in the Great Smoky Mountains, offering breathtaking panoramic views that will leave you speechless. As you embark on the exhilarating hike to the observation tower, you'll be surrounded by lush forests and the crisp mountain air, building anticipation for the stunning vistas that await. The final stretch, a steep paved path, leads you to the tower, where you can gaze out over a sea of rolling mountains and valleys, often above the clouds. Standing at this majestic peak is an unforgettable experience, inviting you to embrace the thrill of nature and capture the beauty of the Smokies from a whole new perspective. Get ready for a scenic drive like no other on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail, where stunning landscapes and vibrant foliage create a breathtaking backdrop. As you wind your way through this picturesque route, you'll be treated to views of lush forests, cascading streams, and the vibrant colors of seasonal blooms. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife, as deer, wild turkeys, and even the occasional black bear may make an appearance right from your car. This is the perfect opportunity to roll down the windows, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and soak in the beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains. Every turn offers a new delight waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Gatlinburg, a lively town where adventure and fun are around every corner. Thrill seekers can experience the excitement of ziplining through the treetops or take a ride on the skylift for breathtaking views of the Smokies. After a day of adventure, indulge in mouth-watering Southern cuisine at local eateries, where you can savor dishes like fried chicken biscuits and barbecue that will leave your taste buds dancing. As the sun sets, Gatlinburg transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife with charming shops, live music, and cozy bars inviting you to unwind. Whether you're seeking thrills or relaxation, Gatlinburg promises an unforgettable experience for everyone. Welcome to Pigeon Forge, the ultimate destination for family fun. Home to iconic attractions like Dollywood, where thrilling rides and live entertainment await, this vibrant town offers something for everyone. Don't miss the Titanic Museum, where you can step back in time and explore the history of the legendary ship through interactive exhibits. With a variety of entertainment options, from magic shows to dinner theaters, families can enjoy countless activities that cater to all ages. Whether you're racing go-karts, enjoying a scenic dinner cruise, or simply exploring the charming shops, Pigeon Forge is the perfect place to create unforgettable memories together that will last a lifetime. As we wrap up our journey through the Great Smoky Mountains, it's clear that this stunning destination is packed with epic vacation spots just waiting to be explored. From the breathtaking views at Klingman's Dome to the wildlife encounters in Cades Cove, each location offers its own unique charm and adventure. The scenic drive through Roaring Fork and the family-friendly fun in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge ensure that there's something for everyone. The beauty and excitement of the Smokies are truly unmatched. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to subscribe, like, and share your own experiences in the comments. Your adventure in the Smokies awaits.